We will soon have the toughest penalties in the nation for violent criminals. It's called Truth in Sentencing. It takes effect July 1st. It'll make some of the most violent offenses like first-degree murder and carjacking mandatory 100% sentences. Here's Ashley Boley.
This bill's been needed for a long time.
Gary Christian's daughter, Shannon, and her boyfriend, Christopher Newsom, were brutally killed in 2007. Tennessee leaders signed a bill called Truth in Sentencing with the help of families of violent crime victims like Christian.
If this would have been in place for the Newsoms and the Christian, those crimes would have never been committed.
Christian says 2 of the 5 convicted killers would have still been in prison. The bill will make some of the most violent offenses like first-degree murder and carjacking mandatory 100% sentences. In the past, the Knox County District Attorney, General Sharm Allen, says the DA's office had no idea how long it would take for someone to hit a parole date or to hit an out date.
We can now sit down as prosecutors and actually look at a victim and give them an out date.
Democrat Gloria Johnson is not on board. She told me if harsher sentences fixed crime, Tennessee would be the safest place in the country. We need evidence-based approaches to addressing public safety. But Christian disagrees.
The kind of people that committed the crimes against Chris and Shannon, prison doesn't reform them. Reform is not for them.
And he thinks the bill may give others a sense of peace.
I hope that families never have to experience what we did. But if they do, then maybe this bill will help them in the future.
In downtown Knoxville, Ashley Boley, WVLT News.
The bill also allows lower-level violent criminals to go from 100 down to 85% reduced sentencing, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, strangulation, and more, but still 85% of the sentence will be mandatory. Some state lawmakers